Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you hide notifications on your iPhone. If you receive notifications and you see their text, you can hide it so that it is not visible on the lock screen. How do you do this? Very simple. To do this, unlock our iPhone and go to Settings. Go down below and find the item, Notifications, and open Show Previews. If we press, always, our notifications will always be visible. If we only want them when the phone is unlocked, then we press When Unlocked. If we want to disable them completely, click Never. Now our notifications will be shown, but we will not see their text. The information is now not visible. I advise you to do the second item because I think it is convenient. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to leave your feedback below this video. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye.